When systems slow down, it is important to understand if there are underlying hardware issues. One such issue can be disk latency. Latency is the delay that happens when a request for data is made and the hard drive returns the data. Systems experiencing high latency will see I/O bottlenecks while processors are waiting on results from the disk. Splunk Enterprise can help to identify storage that is experiencing higher than normal latency and alert you to these problems. There are some requirements we need to fulfill before we can run our search. We will need to install either the Splunk add-on for Unix and Linux or the Splunk add-on for Microsoft Windows, depending on the systems we are monitoring. These will need to be installed and set up by a user with an administrator role. In our deployment, we are running Linux servers. In the add-on setup page for each server, we make sure the IOStat script is selected. The add-on uses the sysstat performance monitoring tools for Linux to gather data. They will need to be installed if they are not already on the system. Once we have the dependencies out of the way, we can start searching our system data. Entering a search for the IOStat source type, we see that there are 3 hosts returning data, and the add-on has extracted a latency field shown in milliseconds. Piping results into the time chart command, we get an average of the latency by host. Formatting as a line chart visualization, we have an easy-to-read report showing any I/O bottlenecks. We can save our results as a report, build dashboards, or create alerts around this data to respond when needed and take proactive measures. That's it! With these tools, you can spot disk latency issues on your system and stay ahead of any problems. Thanks for watching!